Ready to travel the world without getting hit by sneaky bank fees? That's the reality for many people using Monzo. If you're planning a holiday, a gap year, or even a quick weekend getaway, one of the biggest headaches is often figuring out how to manage your money abroad without losing a chunk of it to transaction and exchange rate fees. But what if I told you that with Monzo, you can virtually eliminate those charges? Let's break down exactly how Monzo works when you're out of the country. The biggest win with Monzo is how it handles card spending. When you use your Monzo debit or credit card to pay in a shop, a restaurant, or for an online foreign purchase, you get the absolute MasterCard exchange rate. Crucially, Monzo adds zero markup and charges no foreign transaction fees. So, that souvenir t-shirt, coffee, or hotel room costs you exactly what it should in your home currency, instantly converted at a great rate. The app shows you the conversion in real time, giving you total clarity on what you've spent, a huge upgrade from traditional banks where the mystery charges often only appear on your statement weeks later. Now, what about getting physical cash? This is where a few simple rules come in, depending on where you are. If you're withdrawing cash from an ATM in the European Economic Area, which is all the EU countries plus Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway, you're generally good. If Monzo is your main bank account, you get unlimited fee-free ATM withdrawals. If it's not your main bank, you still get a generous fee-free allowance, currently £400 every 30 days. For those traveling outside of the EEA, think the US, Thailand, Australia, or anywhere else, the fee-free limit is £200 every 30 days for most users. After that, a 3% fee applies. If you have a Monzo paid account like Monzo Plus or Premium, that allowance is higher, sometimes up to £600. The key to remember is the golden rule of foreign card use: always choose to be charged in the local currency when the ATM or card machine asks. If you choose to pay in pounds sterling, you're letting their bank do the conversion, which almost always results in a worse exchange rate and hidden fees. Always pick the local currency. Finally, you don't even need to tell Monzo you're traveling. The card just works, and the app's real-time notifications and spending summaries keep you fully in control. So, ditch the stress of expensive bank fees and make Monzo your essential travel companion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.